Morning guys, welcome to another episode of London Doctor Diaries. This is a weekend in my life. We are off to Essex because it's one of my mates' wedding. Me and Don became friends in co-training in London. He's my co-training buddy and he was also my on-call buddy. So there's lots of trauma bonding that's happened over the years. And he is getting married today. I am so freaking excited because this is our first wedding in the UK that we are attending. We were meant to attend Gino's wedding, who's obviously my bestest mate, but we were in India then. So this is the first one in the UK.
Yay, off to Essex.
It's like you were held at gunpoint to say that. Yay, we're off to Essex now. Anything else?
They picked up some breakfast for us and for 𝗦𝗦ce.
Pretend like you're having a good time. Okay, then let's go. Let's go! Yay! Yeah, I always drink. You would see what the best. As a patient, say hi, guys. I've just realized tomorrow is 1st September. Can't wait for autumn. I don't know why I've ended up making this video as an ASMR. I could have actually talked. Anyway guys, that's my morning skincare routine. Today is a Saturday morning. Today's a Saturday morning. We came back pretty late from yesterday's wedding, almost at like 12:30 a.m. It's 8:30 a.m. right now. We are freshening up and we'll be checking out of the hotel to head back into London again. So back to usual weekend life. But I just thought I'll show you guys what my skincare looks like, because the skincare video that I posted, obviously I did have B-rolls of me doing the skincare, but a lot of you kept saying that I've got makeup on. So here is a not scripted skincare routine, and these are actually the products I use every day. I'll link them all down below. We need to check out in the next 10 minutes, so I'm going to quickly change and see you guys at breakfast. Okay, we are all packed and ready to go. It's cracking. Oh, my suitcase is yours. I haven't put the mic on though. It's really far. It's going to be not the best audio. Far. Okay guys, tell me. Do you see a difference in the audio now, okay? Okay, so now this is with the mic. I'm so sure it's going to be 10 times better. This is us. We had such an amazing time. It was the first time attending a Nigerian-Ghanaian wedding. It just makes me realize and makes me think that, you know, as humans, we are all so similar. Obviously, we are different, but there's so many similarities in cultures, even if you're from different continents. Yesterday when we were attending the wedding, Audrey, who was also one of the trainees I did my co-training with in London, and she was also there, and then she was sat next to me. So she's Ghanaian, and she was giving us a little more insight into what it is like to be in a Ghanaian wedding. But yesterday's wedding was a mix of Ghanaian and Nigerian wedding, because Dawn is Nigerian and Rachel, the bride, she is Ghanaian. I just could see the similarities between like an Indian wedding and the Ghanaian wedding, like, you know, where the families arrive, like the groom comes with his squad, like how you have Bharat, the bride arrives with her entourage, and then there's gift exchange like you do in an Indian wedding. Like, you know, back in the day, there used to be dowry. So another similarity that I found was that the cloth that's used, if I use the wrong terms, then I'm sorry. So the cloth that they use is woven. It's handloom kind of technique that's used for this woven cloth, which the women and also the men wear. So it's like got lots of patterns to it, and looking at the pattern, you can figure out which part of Africa it is. So if it's from Nigeria or, you know, like from the prince, like from Ghana, you can dress it however you want. It's a groom side, they would use a certain color, like to put a headgear. I don't want to say it's a turban, so I don't know what it's called. So men might be wearing that, and then women can use a similar clothing to indicate that they are from the groom side, can style it however, which kind of reminded me of Indian wedding, where, you know, we have pagdi. If you say like guys side, they would be wearing say pink pagdi, for example, and the girls could be wearing something similar with a similar cloth. So there's so many similarities, which was really interesting. And even the food as well, you know, they obviously have different names and everything, but the flavors were so good. Even if it wasn't a curry, what was it, like a masala chicken, I would say. The spices were so different. I tried jollof rice for the first time. It just made me think that we're all so same. We're cut out of the same cloth. Ancestors are the same, and still there's so much differentiation and so much negativity and hatred, and we treat each other as humans so wildly. Like if you look at the news headlines, like I was talking to Audrey about it, you see this and then you watch the news and I'm like, why are you being an asshole to each other and based off your color and your religion? Yeah, it was quite amazing for me, at least, like culturally eye-opening, because Dean and I were like, we've never experienced African culture, we've never been to Africa. This was a first taste of a mix of both Nigeria and Ghana, and I'm like, okay, we definitely need to, like, it's on the cards because one of our friends is going to Kenya. This whole part of the world we haven't explored, and we have friends from there, and we have to definitely start with at least exploring restaurants in London. Okay, I don't have anything more to say. And that was my little spiel. We're ready to go. Oh yeah, I lost my train of thought. I was talking about the book 𝗬𝗎Sapiens then to Audrey, and I recommended that to her. If you haven't read the book 𝗬𝗎Sapiens, then highly recommend it. It's to do with human evolution, religion spread, how it started, how it originated, and how we are so similar as humans, and dating all the way back to how we came into existence in the first place on the planet Earth and how that has evolved and changed. So if you haven't read the book 𝗬𝗎Sapiens, highly recommend it. It's a really big book. So if you're not really much into reading, then you can try Audible. So it's a lot more palatable than reading a physical book. Okay, that's my spiel. Now we are going to go check out. This guy was literally sat there hearing me yap for the last 5 minutes. I didn't have anything more, right? Just this bag. My phone's under the pillow, I think. No, it's here. Oh, is it? Okay. I want to just get so I'll get a peppermint tea. There's 𝗦𝗦chị and Gino ordering theirs. Yeah, we're going to this one. Did you hear what Dean said? Dean was like, we're going to the gym, right? I'm like, yeah, he's like, so then I'll order it over.
Are these like donut holes or are they just...
Like, you know how we had it yesterday? Yes, like that. The ones that you see the most. Oh my.
And maple dip, okay. That's a bit mad in it. First taste. I got the vegan lunch wrap. I don't know why. I felt pressured into making a decision. I like it more. It's more softer. So guys, today is National Movie Day and Dean is booking tickets for us to go watch This Ends With Us. Did not know that. On August 31st, all movie tickets are for £5. Dean is like, let's go watch 2 movies. We'll see. I'll let you know what the hype's about.
Exit here for riverboat services from Blackfriars Pier, the Sandbank and the Tate Modern. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
Off to watch the movie. Morning guys, today is a Sunday. Sundays are usually our housekeeping day, so we get a lot of cleaning done, and that's what we're going to be doing this morning. I've got a whole lot of laundry to sort as well, and I'm going to be removing a bunch of clothes from my wardrobe which I haven't really worn, and I bought them and I've worn them like maybe once. I've not worn them at all, and I plan on putting them on Vinted. I've never used Vinted, so this would be my first time doing that. I plan on removing all those clothes and putting them aside, and tomorrow is the day I have designated to click pictures and put them up on Vinted and see how it goes, because these are like all these brands that I absolutely love. They're good quality stuff. So if you're interested in getting your hands on any of these, I don't know, outfits or clothes, please do check out my Vinted shop. So yeah, that's the bit. I'm gonna get cracking with cleaning. Obviously got my morning matcha with me here. So nothing exciting really. I don't know if you guys want to see me cleaning the place. Maybe I'll just put a bit of a montage there. But other than that, I'll see you later on this afternoon. Sunday brunch is served. I'm serving for you. We've taken a break from all the cleaning and I quickly put together a Sunday brunch. So we are having upma. It literally took me 15 minutes to do it. It's the quickest recipe I know when it comes to Indian recipe. I was just craving for something Indian. I think my period's around the corner, so my cravings are usually like Indian comfort food. I've cleansed the place, I've had my meal, and I've taken a shower. It's Sunday self-care time. I'm having this smoothie from M&S. It's got mango, kiwi, and kale blended with apple. Got my drink sorted. This is a box that I picked up from our recent trip in Paris. They've got lots of different paintings here, but this one is with like baguette and breads, and it looks like a patisserie. They have got all the paints and brushes. Just wanted to have a nice, relaxed Sunday. They've got all the colors here as well. Start by labeling your jars using the colors on the side. All the paints are here. I've got 2 brushes. Then you start painting this painting. I'm so excited. Wow, that's tiny. This is going to be so freaking complex.